coordinate system. Okay, now let's move on to the somewhat advanced problem in the coordinate system. Okay, let's see the question. Given void P, what they will be given? -2, 6, 3. Whenever you have to see this be in the which coordinate system? That be in the rectangular, right? So x be equal to -2, y be equal to 6, and as well as in z be equal to 3. And vector what they will be given? Capital A is equal to y ax bar plus x plus z into ay bar. Okay, express P and capital A in cylindrical and spherical coordinates. Okay, we have to be evaluate in the cylindrical and as well as in spherical coordinates. Okay, and as well as in evaluate capital A at point P in the rectangular already they will be given. You have to be converted in the cylindrical as well as in spherical coordinate systems. Okay, you already know the formula for the cylindrical coordinate system. Range of parameters for the cylindrical be the rho, phi, z. Okay, this be the parameters. What will be the rho? The formula for the rho that be equal to root of x square plus y square, and here x square be the -2 whole square plus y be the 6 whole square. Okay, this be equal to 4 plus 6 square, that be the 36. Here this be equal to 40, and here how much you will get? You will get your rho be the 40. Next, and what will be the formula for the phi? Phi be equal to tan inverse of y divided by x, and what will be the tan inverse of what will be the y? Y be the 6 divided by -2, and here if you want to solve this you will get a 108.43 some degree. Okay, put it in on CAD. And what will happen to the z? Z be the common, z will become the 3. Okay, and similarly what will happen to the spherical coordinate system? The range of parameters for the spherical coordinate system that be the r, theta, phi. What will happen? Okay, and you know the formula for then r be equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, here x be the -2 whole square plus y be the 6 whole square plus z be the 3 whole square. Okay, here you can see 4 plus 36 plus 9. Okay, here this will become the 49. Square root of 49, that be the same. Theta be the tan inverse of root of x square plus y square divided by z. Okay, that be equal to tan inverse of root of x square, x be the -2 whole square, that be the 4 plus y be the 6 square, that be the 36 divided by z be the 3. So this be equal to tan inverse of root of 40 divided by 3. How much you will get? You will get an 64.62 degrees. Put it on a CAD. 64.62 degrees. Okay, r theta and as well as in phi. You can you already know the phi, right? 108.43 degrees. Okay, you just have to write all of these values here. Here -2, 6, 3, that be equal to rho be the root 40, phi be the 108.43 degree, z be the 3, that be equal to what will happen to the r be the 7, theta be the 64.62 degree, or theta and as well as the phi. What will happen to the phi? Phi be the 108.43 degree. Okay, this will be for r theta and as well as the phi. Okay, this part will have to be completed. Next, what we have to do? We have to be taking the vector, given vector capital A, that will equal to y ax bar plus x plus z into ay bar. Okay, here y be the, how much will be given? 6, right? 6 ax bar plus, what will happen to the x? X be the -2 plus z be the 3 into ay bar. So here this will become the 6ax bar plus 1 into ay bar. Okay, this will be the capital A. Okay, put it in the matrix form. What will be the formula for the matrix form? So, arrow bar, row 5, sorry, this small, right? Arrow A5 and as well as in AZ. Here you can see what will be the formula. This be the cos 5 this be the sin 5 0, this be the minus sin 5 and cos 5, this be the 0, and here this be the 0 0 1 0 0 and as well as the 1 and what will happen to the x be the y and y be the x plus z, and here z there will be no z. Okay, next what you have to do? You have to be multiplied. What will happen? This will become the y into cos 5 plus x plus z into sin 5. Okay, next will be the minus y into sin 5 plus x plus z into cos 5. And next will be, you can take the y, z with the 0, right? If you want to write in the matrix form, how you can write? By using the component unit vectors. If you take that for that matrix, so this be equal to capital A row bar comma 5 bar comma AZ bar. So here this be equal to y into cos 5 plus x plus z into sin 5 into arrow bar plus minus y into sin 5 plus x plus z into cos 5 into a5 bar. Okay, so you know what will happen to the x be equal to rho into cos 5 and as well as y be equal to rho into sin 5. Okay, from the conversion of Cartesian to cylindrical. Okay, now put these two in this here. This will become the y be the rho sin 5 cos 5 plus x be the rho cos 5 plus z be the constant. You don't have any value. Sin 5 into arrow bar plus minus y be the minus rho into sin 5 minus rho into sine 5 into sine 5 plus x with the rho cos 5 plus z into cos 5 into a5 bar. Okay, now just apply it. This will become the rho sine 5 cos 5 plus rho cos 5 sine 5 plus z sine 5 into a rho bar minus rho sine square 5 plus rho cos 5 into cos 5, that will become the cos square 5 plus z into cos 5 into a5 bar. Okay, now what I have to do means so you already know how much you will get. You will in the rho with the root 40, right? And what will happen to the sine 5 and what will happen to the cos 5? So cos 5 that be equal to x divided by root of x square plus y square, and what will happen to the x be the minus 2 divided by square root of 4 plus 36. So this will become the minus 2 divided by root 40, and what will happen to the sine 5? Sine 5 that be the y divided by root of x square plus y square, and what will happen to the y? 6 divided by root 40. Okay, if you have all of your values, put it in this equation. This will become the, what will happen to the rho be the root 40 into sine 5 be the 6 divided by root 40 into what will happen to the cos 5? Minus 2 divided by root 40 plus root 40 into cos 5 be the 6 divided by root 40 into sine 5 be the sine 5 6 cos 5 be the minus 2, right? And sine 5 be the 6 divided by root 40 plus what will happen to the z be the 3, right? Z be the 3 into sine 5 be the 6 divided by root 40. So into a rho bar minus rho be the root 40 into sine square 5 be the 6 square divided by root 40 whole square. Here square root will get cancelled, 36 divided by 40 plus rho be the root 40 into cos square 5 be the 4 divided by 40. Okay, square root get cancelled, plus z be the 3 into cos 5 be the minus 2 divided by root 40 into a5 bar. Okay, put this equation and just cancel the equivalent terms. Okay, and after that put it to calculate how much the answer you will get means minus 6 by root 40 a rho bar minus 38 divided by root 40 a5 bar. Okay, and again put this in our calculation. How much you will get? This will become the minus 0.947 a rho bar minus, and the 8 by 40 that become the 6.008 a5 bar. Okay, this be your answer. Okay. Okay, one part we are completed. Cylindrical we are completed. Next, my target be to do the same process like that in the spherical coordinates. It's my target. Okay. After that, we have to be compare the both the results. We will get the same answer. Okay. Okay. Next is spherical form. So, matrix form be the r, theta, and as well as n phi. So here results be the sin theta, cos phi. So here this be the sin theta, sin phi, and this be the cos phi. So this is the cos theta. This be the cos theta. Next, cos theta, cos phi, and here cos theta, sin phi. This be the minus sin theta, minus sin theta. This be the minus sin phi, cos phi. Here this will be the 0. Okay. Next, what I have to do? Our matrix form with our vector with y and x plus z, and here there will be no x term, sorry z term, that will become the 0. Now you just have to be multiplied. This will become the y sin phi cos phi, okay, plus x plus z into sin theta sin phi. This will be the sin theta. Okay, sin theta sin phi plus 0. Okay. Next to be the y cos theta cos phi plus x plus z into cos theta sin phi 0. Here this will become the minus y sin phi plus x plus z into cos phi. Here this will be the 0. Now what I have to do is you have to be writing the your component vectors in the vector form. Vector of ar bar, comma, a theta bar, comma, a phi bar. So this will become the y sin theta cos phi plus x plus z into sin theta sin phi into ar bar plus y into cos theta cos phi plus x plus z into r theta a theta bar minus this be the y into sin phi plus x plus z into cos phi into a r theta and as well as phi a phi bar. Okay. So here what I have to do is we have to be multiplied. You already know x is equal to here x is equal to r cos theta cos phi. X is equal to r sin theta cos phi. Y is equal to r sin theta sin phi. Z is equal to r into cos theta. Okay. Right. Now what I have to do is just have to put it here. This will become the y be the r sin theta sin phi this be the sin theta cos phi plus x be the r sin theta cos phi plus z be the r cos theta into sin theta sin phi into ar bar plus y be the r sin theta sin phi cos theta cos phi plus x be the r sin theta cos phi plus z be the r cos theta okay into this be the a theta bar minus y be the r sin theta sin phi this be the sin phi plus x be the r sin theta cos phi plus z be the r cos theta into cos phi. This be the a phi. Okay. Now multiply it. So this will become the r sin square theta. Okay. Sin phi cos phi. Sin phi cos phi plus here you can see r sin theta cos phi plus r cos theta okay into sin theta sin phi into ar bar plus r sin theta cos theta sin phi cos phi okay plus r into sin theta cos phi plus r cos theta this be the a theta bar minus r sin theta sin square phi okay plus r into sin theta cos phi plus r into cos theta. So here directly multiply it. This will become the cos square theta and here this will become the cos theta cos phi into a phi. Okay. Now put your r value and as well as in sin theta and as well as in cos phi. In this directly in this you will get your answer. So how much you will get? You will get an r with the 7 from previous tan phi will be the 6 by minus 2, as well as in tan theta, is equal to root 40 divided by 3, and hence cos phi that be equal to minus 2 divided by root 40, and the sin phi that be equal to 6 divided by root 40, and the cos theta that be equal to 3 divided by 7, and as well as in sin theta that be equal to root 40 divided by 7. Okay, put all of those values in this here. Okay, put all of those values here. How much answer you will get means you will get an answer with a minus 0.08571 a r bar minus 0.04066 a r theta bar minus 6.008 a phi bar. Okay, now if you want to equalate all of those things, you will get an minus you will get in 6.03, right? So modulus of x comma y comma z that be equal to modulus of a of rho comma phi comma z that be equal to modulus of a of r comma theta comma phi that be equal to 6.083. So this be the answer. Okay, before whatever I have to be telling the cylindrical coordinate system, you just have to equate that rho and as well as in phi values. You will get an some 6.08. Here, if you want to equate all of those values, add up all of those values, you will get a 6.08. Okay, I already if all the values be present here, just put all of those values in this equation, you will get your answer. This will be the answer. Okay, why I can't solve this means in the previous session I will be solving the cylindrical, right? How I can put these values. Similar way, this will be the homework for you. You just have to be put your values like that. You will get your adequate answer. Okay. After that, what you have to do? You have to take the common terms common, and you have to cancel it. After that, you have to put your remaining values in your calci. You will get your required answer. Okay. That be the here. After the putting your calci, this be the your answer. Okay. I just want to write the direct answer. Okay. You just have to be put in your calci, and after that you just have to be added that cylindrical coordinates and as well as in this spherical coordinates. You will get your same answer. Okay. Whenever you will get the same answer, that's be the right. Okay. In this way, you can do some simple questions based on the coordinate systems. Okay. In the next class, we will try to see what will be the important concepts. That be what will be the gradient, and what will be the curl, and what will be the Laplacian, and as well as what will be the Poisson equations in terms of this rectangular coordinate system, as well as in spherical coordinate system, and as well as in cylindrical coordinate system. Okay. If you really like this video, please like my video, share my video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel.